Akiaria arithingira-ini wa iregi hindi ya kuruguria ikereka ria keri ria mubango wa bengi ya thi wa kwandandura mithubari na matauni manini guku bururi-ini, mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William RUTO ni augite ari na bata wa kugaciriria matauni maya na mithubari makiria niguo kunina muhatikano uria ukoretwo gumeire tauni ya Nairobi na matauni mangi maria manene guku bururi-ini, undu ucio ungirire gutinangio kwa migunda ya urimi igatuika buroti.
We all understand that there is now competition between land that we are using for food production and land that is used for settlement. And therefore, townships, towns, and cities will give us an opportunity to remove the pressure that currently is on agricultural land by making sure that we settle people in urban centers so that we can free land that is used for agricultural production to feed the nation.
President augite giki nikio gitumi kiria giacungirire thirikari yake gwaka ceceni cia mwanya cia wonjoria kaunti-ini ciothe niguo guthondeka mieke na miaramano ya mawira na wonjoria.
And the more we improve governance, the more we improve facilities in the municipalities, the greater the opportunity we give ourselves to remove pressure from the large cities. It is also the reason why we discussed about the county aggregation industrial parks to try and create alternative centers of value addition, agro-processing, possibly manufacturing.
President athiete na mbere kuga kioneki kia ukuria wa utonga wa bururi rungu rwa mubango wa bottom up kiumbitwo na muthingi wa kumenya gicunji kinene kia Kenya marikaraga matauni-ini miaka yukite na nikiekirire waki wa mabarabara, utambia wa njira cia kiru cia ukinyaniria na kugacirithia ugitiri wa muingi guothe bururi-ini.
It is also the reason why today we have 6 new special economic zones targeted at exports. Again, away from Nairobi, away from Mombasa, into towns like Sagana, into towns like Thika, into Naivasha, into Nakuru, into Busia.
Okaidini okau Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Professor Kithure Kindiki ni atugirite ikinya ria bengi ya thi ria gukuruhania kambici ya hoitoro cia Dadaab na Kakuma mubango-ini uyu akiuga ni iguteithiriria kugacirithia wiguano wa hoitoro na aikari a kuria kambici ciakitwo.
And so as we improve the amenities in the camps and turn them into settlements, we will also be taking care of the host communities there so that we don't create disparities in terms of standards of living and conditions of living between the refugees and the surrounding host communities.
Kwa ihinda riri kambici ciereire na makiria ma hoitoro 700,000 undu uria Kindiki augite ukoretwo rituheire bururi kuma riria kambici ciombirwo miaka 30 mihituku.
This is the spirit of burden sharing in the world as opposed to burden shifting.
Rungu rwa mubango uyu wa Kenya Urban Support Program, bengi ya thi gukorwo ikirugamirira kimbeca kugacirithia na kuhambia ngathi mithubari na matauni 75 na kambi 2 cia hoitoro na ukuhutia kaunti 45. Imwe cia tauni ici ni Kikuyu na Karuri iri kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, Keno na Murang'a tauni iri kaunti-ini ya Murang'a na Orokarau na Injinia iri kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua.
After that we have the check presentation.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.